Hello Ravenswood. I put together a few videos here to explain to you the features of your new Extron AV systems that you have in your classroom. We'll go through how to connect, how to use the speakers, the microphones. First, I just want to go directly to the wall panels and explain how to turn the display on and off and the different ways that you can connect.
Okay, let's take a quick look at the Extron panel that controls your system. As you can see, you have a series of buttons here. When they're lit up, they're engaged. Um, Generally, the first thing you do in the morning would be come in and turn the on switch. That will bring up the picture on your display. Because the system will disconnect from your laptop if you turn it off during the day, I would make sure that you're going to have it off for a while during the day if you do turn it off, because when you turn it on you will have to reconnect your laptop, and that can take a minute if you're in the middle of a class or something. um, Definitely turn it off before you leave at the end of the day so it's not on overnight, but then keep in mind the time it takes to reconnect when you do, or if you do turn it off during the day. Okay, so our video uh, connections are wireless, VGA, and HDMI. We're really going to focus on wireless, as that's primarily what we are going to use with our district laptops. VGA is, we're familiar with the blue connector that we've used for a long time with docks and monitors. HDMI is the more modern connector that most of us have on our TVs. There is HDMI on most of your district laptops as well. Um, but generally, what we are recommending is that you use a wireless connection and that you connect the dock cam and webcams, anything you might have, to your laptop, and then share your laptop so that you don't have any of the wired connections, because the VGA and the HDMI have ports right below this. I'll show you that in a minute, uh, where you would connect hardwire a connection for these. So just getting started, you want to have wireless on, the display on, and then you have the audio controls here. Obviously, mute will flash red, okay, and then the whole system is muted, including the lanyard and handheld microphones that also came with the system, which we'll talk about a little later. Okay, when mute is not flashing, the system is on. This is obviously the control, volume up and down. When the system is unmuted and active, you are going to hear everything that is connected to the system. So in this case, it would be anything coming through your laptop as well as the two microphones. Now, if you don't want the microphones to be coming through the system, seat them in the charger on the desk. That will mute them automatically. Easier than turning them off, and that way you make sure you keep them charged as well. And then once you have everything set, control the volume. I would recommend here maybe setting the volume to about halfway and then controlling the devices uh, individually with their volume. And that's about it.